Hello everyone! Thanks for joining me in the Allen Block workshop to learn about one of the fantastic tools that we have here at Allen Block to help make estimating your next retaining wall project a dream. What I will walk you through today is how to get our A/B estimating tool, which is something that is used every day by contractors, dealers, our production partners, and even us here at Allen Block to properly estimate retaining wall projects. Let me show you where to download this free tool as well as how to install it. Let me share my screen. Just go to allenblock.com and click on the estimating link. This takes you to all of our available estimating and design tools. From there, scroll down the page to find the A/B estimating tool and select which operating system you need. Then scroll down again and select the units of measure. The download will start automatically. Once downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click the file called A/B Estimating to extract it. Copy or drag the entire folder created, again called A/B Estimating, to your desktop or to your desired location that's easy to find in the future. For the PC version, there is a couple additional files in the folder that need to be here for the program to work. This program does not need the internet connection once it has been downloaded and installed. To open the A/B Estimating tool, you simply double-click on the executable file within the folder. There are many reasons why using the estimating tool makes sense. It will provide an accurate estimate quickly and easily. Getting the right materials to your project will start you off on the right foot toward success. In this video, we didn't even scratch the surface of what this program can do. We focused on where you find the program on allenblock.com and how to install it. Now that you have it, please view our other videos to see how to use it. Happy building! Always better, always Allen Block.